My name's Alex Pentland. People call me Sandy. And I'm a faculty member at MIT and one of the members of the board of Digital Transparency Lab. Well, it's interesting that there really isn't anything like it out there in the world. The research institutes of the United States or Europe really don't fund research in the area, and yet this is really key for making law and public policy because data is so important. So it's filling a really important niche in the knowledge that we need to have to be able to build a better society. Some of the things that that Digital Transparency Lab is beginning to do is figure out whether some companies are doing what they actually say they're doing, or whether something's leaking out their back door. Maybe they don't even know about it. The hardest part will be figuring out what's going on with all the small companies all around the world, because while the big companies are pretty well behaved in general, they tend to do what they say they do, there's a million small companies that seem very much out of control, and trying to figure out how they get data and what they're doing and what to do about that is a major challenge. Well, I think that the key things that Data Transparency Lab can do is find out what's actually going on, because we don't actually know what's going on, and then promote a public debate about it so we can decide as a society and so government can decide what it is that they need to do. The problem is that many of the policy and lawmakers really don't understand the technology very well, and even the technologists don't understand the whole ecosystem and where the data goes and how it's being used. So we need to bring some clarity to all of this, and of course that's the mission of the Digital Transparency Lab.